If you want to install Pinterest app on Windows computer, first click the search bar and just type Microsoft Store. Then open Microsoft and click here Microsoft Profile and sign in to any of your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail or Skype account, any Microsoft account. You just need to sign in here. If it doesn't have any Microsoft account, just create a new one. It's completely free. I'm also using the free Microsoft account. After you created an account, just click this search bar and just type Pinterest. And search. Then here you can see free Pinterest. Just open that, and here you can see Pinterest inclusive, it's official app. So here you can see patch, just click get. Here you can see the app was downloading right now. Okay, it's installed. Just click open. Now here just tick this create desktop shortcut and allow, and just sign in to any of your Pinterest account. Just sign in with this account and just click confirm. So that's it. You just need to sign into your Pinterest account, and if you minimize this, here you can see the Pinterest icon was added. So desktop shortcut was also created. If you open this, it will automatically open the Pinterest app like this. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch these videos.